Hi everybody, my name is Megan Williams and I'm the Assistant Director of the Emily Taylor Center for Women and Gender Equity at the University of Kansas. And I'm here today to kick off our fall virtual Skillshare series. We have a great lineup for you, and today I'm going to start by teaching you how to make your own mini zine. Okay, so before we start putting together the mini zine, we're going to have to fold it. And all you need for that is a standard piece of printer paper, a pair of scissors, a bone folder, but really your fingers will work just fine. Okay, so to fold your mini zine, first you're gonna take it and fold it in half. You can do it hot dog style. And then you can just take your finger, but I like to use this bone folder. It makes things so much easier. So you're gonna open that back up and fold it hamburger style now. And keep in mind, you're never going to get the lines perfectly straight, but that's part of the charm of mini zines. So I've done that. Right now we've got 4 equal rectangles. So we're going to take it and fold it one more time. Like so. And then when you open it up, you're going to see that you have 8 rectangles, and you can see all the fold lines. So what you want to do is you want to fold it back up hamburger style, and note that there's an open side and a closed side. On the closed side, you want to take your scissors and snip right along that fold till you get to the center point there. After you do that, you open it back up, fold it hot dog style, and squeeze it together. And after you make that last fold, you end up with an 8-page booklet. Now that we've folded our zine, let's start to talk about the making process. Now that I've showed you how to fold a zine, what we're going to do next is talk about supplies. So supplies are really flexible. Aside from that piece of paper and those scissors, really you can use any arts and crafts supplies you have around the home. I particularly like crafting paper, so we have different styles of that we can use. I really also enjoy using stickers, especially these alphabet stickers. You're going to want a glue stick, or tape. I like to do a lot of collaging, so a magazine's always good for that. Or you can just use a Sharpie or a ballpoint pen. It's really flexible and anything goes. So now we're going to take that folded zine and unfold it. And I decided today that I would share with you the first zine that I ever made. It was this mini zine. And I made it at a queer zine explosion workshop that was taught by my friend Carolyn. So shout out to CC Riot for teaching me how to make mini zines. Anyway, as you can see, what I did here is just on each of the squares, I did some collage, taking things from magazines. Here I used some of those alphabet stickers that I like. You can see the different craft paper. And so really it's whatever you want to do, however you want to do it. I do have some tips though. One tip is to, when that zine is folded up, to go through and number the pages so that when you unfold it and work on it flat, when you fold it back up, it will be in the order that you want. So to number the pages of your zine, you're going to start with the cover and just go through and in pencil, make a little note as to what page it is in the sequence of the zine. There you go. And so once you've folded it and numbered it, now when you unfold it to make the zine itself, you'll see that the numbers are not in sequential order. And so you need to pay attention to the fact that number 1 will be your cover, and then the second page will be here, and it goes around like that. And then you can go back and erase the numbers once you've collaged or drawn or written on that page. So another tip is to make sure that you leave a slight margin all around the outer edges of your piece of paper. And the reason we do that is so that when you scan it or photocopy it, nothing will get cut off. So now that you've made your zine, you're going to want to mass produce it and share it with everyone you know. And so once you get the photocopies, they'll look like this. You can also do it in color, but let me just show you that we're going to do the same process we did before in order to fold and share these with our friends. So you take it and you fold it hamburger style like that, and then you can fold it hot dog style. And then we fold it one more time. There we go. And then we're going to open it up halfway again, noting that here's the open side, here's the closed side. We'll take our scissors and again we'll snip right along that fold line to that center point. Then we take it, pinch it together again, find the cover, there you go, and then do that one last smoothing out, and now you've got a zine to share. Emily Taylor Center for Women and Gender Equity has many zine activities that you can participate in. Check the description below for relevant links. And thank you so much for joining me today for a How to Make Mini Zines tutorial.